Michael from Oklahoma City has a question about a roof leak.
Yeah, he had his replaced within the last 5 years, Tom. Michael writes, 2 bedrooms on the north side get water drips in them along the north during the winter only, he says. It doesn't leak in warm weather, and it seems worse when there's standing snow or ice on the roof. Go figure. So no leaks during rainstorms either. So water runs off it just fine. So the roofer replaced the north side even though he couldn't find any leaks in the attic. We replaced the gutters. That didn't fix it. There's a valley to the west of these 2 rooms running north, by the way, just so you know. So Michael wants to know, can you solve this mystery?
If you're getting ice and you're getting snow building up on there, it can crawl up under the shingles. That's why ice and water shield is used heavily in areas that have snow. And the bottom 3 to 5 feet of your roof should have an ice and water shield system put on there, and especially through the valleys. And if they didn't do that originally, when that ice sits there, it'll melt and it'll freeze, it'll melt, it'll freeze, it'll crawl up under the shingles, and then it's going to leak. Very, very common.
As it expands and contracts, it's working its way under the shingle.
What's happening is the top staying frozen, but the bottom part where you have the house heated and everything, is turning to liquid.
Yeah, that's where the party's going on.
It's being pushed into the house. The other thing is, and this would be a little more rare probably in Oklahoma City because it wouldn't be that cold, but in some parts of the country, if it's not vented real well and it's a warm attic in there, what happens is at night the icicles will grow because of the humidity in there, and then they'll melt during the day. And you'll have interior water in your house, and it's just because of the nature, but I doubt that's happening in Oklahoma.
Yeah, they couldn't find any drips in the attic. That's the thing. So, but that doesn't mean anything. It could mean, I mean, I've heard you talk about how that just means that it could be getting under the underlayment, running down, and then coming in somewhere else. So
that's right.
Water's sneaky.
Yeah, it's not going to drip. Unless you just put a hole, it's not going to drip. It's going to move all around.
And wouldn't that make it easier to find?
Yeah, just put a hole in it. Take a gun, shoot it.
All right. We'll make it.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that. All right. Do what he tells you. Don't do anything I tell you. That's the deal. And ask him your questions by sending them to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. We'll answer them here in these videos and like these ones over here. And subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it and help you know when there are new ones.